Earth is a fragile rock floating in a highly irradiated vacuum, protected by the magnetosphere, a massive, invisible force field generated deep within the planet's core. Over South America and the Atlantic Ocean, a massive puncture has opened in this armor. This 3D topographical map shows the Earth's magnetic field strength. You can clearly see a massive dent over the South Atlantic. In this specific region, the shield's strength has dropped by over 9%, allowing high-energy cosmic radiation to dip to just 200 kilometers above the surface. This invisible geographical zone, known as the South Atlantic Anomaly, has turned a heavily trafficked orbital lane into a silent trap for anything passing through it. Astrophysicists and astronauts officially refer to this area as the Bermuda Triangle of Space. Whenever the Hubble Space Telescope enters this region, NASA completely shuts down its delicate electronic sensors to prevent radiation from burning out its internal computers. Standard satellites constantly face single-event upsets. High-energy protons from the Sun pierce the weak shield and strike the silicon chips of passing spacecraft. These strikes cause sudden computer reboots, severe memory corruption, and permanent system destruction. Hundreds of satellites have been damaged or lost here. Human crews aboard the International Space Station also orbit directly through the anomaly. Astronauts report seeing strange, bright flashes of light inside their eyes, even when closed, a result of cosmic rays physically striking their retinas. To protect the crew from direct radiation exposure, space agencies intentionally schedule fewer spacewalks when passing over this part of the planet. While mission control can monitor these symptoms from the ground, the source of the failure lies nearly 3,000 kilometers beneath the surface. To understand why the shield is failing, we must start at the anomaly's epicenter over Brazil and look down. Our investigation requires a descent through 2,890 kilometers of solid mantle, ending at the boundary where the Earth's core meets the rock above. Here, geophysicists have detected two colossal, unexplained structures called large, low-shear velocity provinces, or the Blobs. These colossal geological formations are the unseen architects of the chaos happening in the sky. One of these structures, the African blob, sits deep beneath southern Africa and the Atlantic Ocean. This massive structure actively displaces the churning liquid iron that normally generates our protective shield. This displacement creates a reversed magnetic flux. In this specific region, the magnetic field deep inside the planet points in the opposite, incorrect direction. The anomaly is an active planetary organ failure, neutralizing the Earth's magnetic shield from the inside out. In 2020, the European Space Agency's Swarm satellite constellation delivered a shocking update to our understanding of this region. The South Atlantic Anomaly is actively splitting into two separate centers of minimum intensity, with a second nucleus forming southwest of Africa. The anomaly is stretching and expanding westward at a speed of approximately 20 kilometers per year. Science currently has no clear explanation for why this mutation is happening so fast. This rapid, unexplained splintering of our shield points directly toward a terrifying historical precedent. The ultimate concern is that this anomaly is the first definitive symptom of a geomagnetic reversal, an event where the north and south magnetic poles flip places. The last total pole flip happened 780,000 years ago. Geologic history shows that before a full flip occurs, the Earth's magnetic field weakens drastically worldwide and creates massive regional anomalies just like this one. If a global pole flip begins, the Earth's magnetic protective shield could drop to near zero for several centuries. This exposure would allow severe solar storms to fry our global electrical grids, underwater internet cables, and satellite communications. While the surface of the planet looks peaceful today, an invisible, ticking cosmic clock threatens to send human civilization back to the Stone Age.